Prepare the treated sample solution and test kits. Open the foil pouch, take out the test card and the gold labeled well. Put them on a flat and clean work surface. Adjust the micropipette to 120 microliter. Aspirate 120 microliter of the treated sample solution into the well. Then repeatedly and gently mix by pipetting up and down until completely dissolved. Let it stand for 2 minutes. Then aspirate 120 microliter of the mixed solution from the well and add it to the sample hole. Read the result at room temperature in 5 to 8 minutes. Results are invalid after more than 30 minutes. Interpret the results within the result window. If both the test line T and the control line C appear simultaneously, it indicates a negative result. If only the control line C appears, it indicates a positive result. If the control line C does not appear, the result might be considered invalid.